Hi, this is Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing from YarnYay. They did a mystery bag, and I thought it would be interesting to see what was in it. So, I ordered 3 of the bags. I ordered 3 of the mini bags, and let's see. Looks like 2 might be the same and 1 different maybe. So, interesting. So, Taki Yarns Gunnison. It's 57% wool, 43% polyacrylic. 185 yards or 169 meters. Very pretty, very soft. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, these are flower seeds. This was from an old box from the summer. I guess they had these left over. Cool. Oh, pumpkin scissors. Can always use extra scissors. That's really cool. I like that. Oh, that's cute. Maker. It says scarf keychain. It says maker. And what is this? Oh, lip balm. Pumpkin spice lip balm. There we go. Oh, nice. Oh, it smells good too. Awesome. Can always use that as well. Put the tag around here for now. And I think that's it. Okay, and then a nice little bag that I can reuse for gifting. All right, oh, and it's different. That's exciting. Okay, Baracco Isola, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. 38% cotton, 36% linen, 26% viscose. How many yards? Machine wash is always awesome. Oh, here, 284 yards, 260 meters. Very pretty color too. This might be from one of the boxes where you made a plant hanger. Okay, unknown yarn. Nice and soft though. Let me see if there was a label that fell off, maybe. More seeds, sunflower seeds. Another pair of scissors. Okay, that's all right. I like to keep them all over the house. Oh, this is awesome. I do cross stitch. So you use this for cross stitching and I guess needlepoint or whatever. You would put this on your hoop. Obviously you put this side on the top and then the magnet on the back, and then you put your needle there and it holds onto your needle. Another lip balm and another keychain. Is that everything? Yes. So we don't know what kind of yarn this is, but that's all right. It's pretty. I'll use it for something. And a green bag. And this is Vicky Howe's yarn. Mad Tosh. Piece fingers. 420 yards. 384 meters. Oh, and it's superwash merino wool. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. More seeds. Another sunflower. Let's see, is everything else going to be the same? I think everything else is going to be the same. So another pair of scissors. Hey, I'm going to have these like in every room of the house. And another maker keychain. Oh, cat scissors. Oh, these are cute. I like these. And another lip balm. Oh, I like the cat scissors. Let's see, do they have a face on them, or is it just... Okay, so both sides are the same. That's all right. These are cute. And I think that's it. Yep, so that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed that. I know it was another short unboxing. I'm still not 100% back to health yet, but I just thought that these would be good to fill in, you know, until I can get another tutorial up or something. And as I said, this box came while I was in the hospital, so it's been sitting waiting to be opened. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed if you are not already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.